Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another awesome 10-minute interval workout for beginners. Today we're doing side planks. Let's go. Okay, the first exercise we're holding in side plank, basic side plank. On forearm, elbow just below your shoulder, body is aligned, lift your hips up, engage your core, engage your abs. Obliques are doing the work here. Just keep breathing and stay focused. And now rest. We're gonna be doing 5 exercises on the left side, then we're gonna switch for the other side. So stay on this side. The next exercise is gonna be side plank reach. So it's basically the same starting position. Okay, get ready, side plank, and now add reach and side plank, reach, starting position. When you reach up, lift your hips up as well and just keep breathing. And rest. If this is too easy for you, you can always increase the time you're spending doing in the work interval, so you can go for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds rest. It is up to you. Just listen to your body. The next one is gonna be side plank twists. Get ready, and now twist your elbow in and up, in, up. Breathe and stay with me. And rest. You can rest now. We have only 2 exercises left on this side. You can stretch your shoulder a little bit if you need. The next one is going to be side plank hold. Ready, and now just hold. Oh no, it's not hold, I'm sorry. It is the side plank hip drops. And now rest. Okay, we have 1 exercise left on this side. It's gonna be the star plank. Get ready. And now we lift the leg up and down. Actually, we're not doing a full star plank because we're not lifting the arm, but this is challenging enough. You can raise your arm or include the arm in the lift. And now you can rest. Okay, now it's time to switch sides. and repeat these exact 5 moves on the other side as well. Get ready in a bit. Let's go. Rest. Okay, now we're gonna add that reach, so it's a side plank reach. Get ready and add that reach, lower down, add that reach, lower back to starting position. Shoulders and obliques on fire in this workout. And rest. Okay, I need to stretch my shoulder. The next one is side plank twist. Off we go. Few more seconds here. And rest. Last 2 exercises. Side plank hip drops coming up next. Drop your hips to the ground and lift up. Keep breathing all the time. And rest now. Okay, that was amazing. We have 1 exercise left. This is gonna be the star plank, or some kind of variation of the star plank where we lift only the leg. Get ready in 5 seconds. And that was it. Week 7 of the 9-week interval challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget you need to repeat this workout 3 to 4 times this week. Stay positive, stay focused. We're almost done with this challenge. I'm gonna see you next time.